Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our tech reviews or unboxing videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at an impressive ultrasonic sensor, the Migatron RPS-412A. This sensor is designed for industrial environments where precision and reliability are critical. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here's the box for the RPS-412A comes in. It's compact, simple, and well sealed for protection. On the front, we see the Migatron logo and the model number, clearly marked. Let's open it up. Right on top, we have the user manual and data sheet. This guide includes everything you need to know about setting up, operating, and maintaining the RPS-412A. Always a must-read before diving into installation. And here's the star of the show. The Migatron RPS-412A ultrasonic sensor. First impressions? Look at that impressive stainless steel housing. It's sturdy and solid, with a sleek design that's built for durability in industrial applications. Let's talk about the features. The RPS-412A is an analog ultrasonic sensor designed for accurate distance measurement and level detection. It has a detection range of up to 10 inches, making it ideal for applications like material handling, object detection, and level sensing. This is the stainless steel body of the sensor that protects the inner circuitry. Here's the ultrasonic transducer, which emits and receives high-frequency sound waves for precise measurements. And in front of that is the temperature compensation bar. The sensor monitors and compensates for air temperature 50 times per second using the temperature compensation bar. This temperature compensation method also compensates for changes in relative humidity, changes in barometric pressure, and other factors that influence the speed of sound. And on the back, you'll find the power and signal connection ports, which are compatible with standard control systems, which transmit all the information that the sensor collects. So here's a quick recap of what you get in the box. The RPS-412A sensor, a user manual, data sheet, and also the calibration data. Everything an original equipment manufacturer needs to build their machine. Well, that wraps up our unboxing of the Migatron RPS-412A ultrasonic sensor. This is a great choice for anyone looking for precision and reliability in their equipment. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll show you how to set it up and demonstrate its performance in action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unboxings and tech insights. Got any questions about this sensor? Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.